Good morning, students. Now, question number 13 in quadrilateral A, B, C, D, L, M, P, Q are the midpoint of AB. L, M, P, Q is the midpoint of AB, BC, CD, and DA. Then, using a midpoint theorem, make the statement to concerning the length and the direction of LM and AC. LM and AC join AC and LM. Now, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, L is the midpoint of AB, M is the midpoint of AB, M is the midpoint of BC. Then line joining L and M is parallel to the third line according to midpoint theorem. Then LM is parallel to AC from midpoint theorem. Okay, and LM equals to half of AC. This is the answer of first question. Okay, now prove that LMPQ is a parallelogram. LMPQ, add LMPQ. Now we have to prove that LMPQ is a parallelogram. Okay, in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, Q is the midpoint of DA, P is the midpoint of DC. Then QP is parallel to AC from midpoint, and QP equals to half of AC. Okay, now opposite side of a quadrilateral LM is parallel to AC and QP is parallel to AC. LM is parallel to AC and QP is parallel to AC. Both are parallel to AC, so LM is parallel to QP. Okay, LM is parallel to QP, and we know that LM equals to half of AC and OP equals to half of AC, so both are equal, and both are equal, then ALM equals to OP. Then the opposite side of a quadrilateral are equal and parallel, so properties of a parallelogram. QLMP is parallelogram because opposite side of a quadrilateral are equal and parallel, so it is a parallelogram. You have to read or learn the properties of a parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, and a square. After that you are able to do this type of equation. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है प्रॉपर्टी क्या है तो आप इसको सॉल्व कर ही नहीं सकते, तो फर्स्टली यू हैव टू लर्न द प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है, सो सेकंड पार्ट QLMP इज अ पैरेललोग्राम बिकॉज अपोजिट साइड ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल, सो इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. ओके, नाउ थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी, इफ it is also given the diagonal of AC and BD are equal. Suppose AC diagonal and BD diagonal are equal according to situation. Third part, AC equals to BD, suppose. Okay, now in triangle DCB, P is the midpoint of DC, M is the midpoint of CB, so PM is parallel to DB from midpoint theorem, and PM equals to half of BD. Okay, and BD equals to CD, BD equals to AC given है, diagonals are equal, then PM equals to half of BD. In place of BD we replace AC because both are equal, so PM equals to half of AC. Now next triangle, in triangle ABD, L is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of AD, then QL is parallel to BD from midpoint theorem, and if they are parallel, so QL equals to half of BD, and we know that BD equals to AC. Replace now QL equals to half of AC, PM equals to half of AC, तो PM equals to QL equals to half of AC, and we know that LM equals to OP equals to half of AC, so equals to LM equals to OP, and the all side of a parallelogram are equal, so that's called a rhombus. So QLMP is a rhombus because all side of a parallelogram are equal, that's called a rhombus. Now it is the rhombus. Now the next question number 14, but उससे पहले firstly we have to know intercept theorem. What is the intercept theorem? Intercept theorem is that if transversal makes a equal intercept on 3 and the more than 3 lines, then any other line cutting them will also make a equal intercept. Suppose L, M and N are three parallel line. Okay, and suppose this is a transversal axis P, Q, R. ठीक है, equal intercept, this transversal cut the equal intercept means PQ equals to QR. Suppose then the another transversal axis, suppose this is K, P, M, नहीं M ये इधर ऑलरेडी है, K T S सपोज. ओके, सो जो अनदर ट्रांसवर्सल एक्सिस होगी वो भी इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट काटेगी, मीन्स के टी इक्वल्स टू टी एस, के टी इक्वल्स टू टी एस. सपोज अनदर ट्रांसवर्सल एक्सिस ए बी सी, तो ये ट्रांसवर्सल एक्सिस भी इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट काटेगी, मीन्स ए बी इक्वल्स टू बी सी. दिस इज़ द इंटरसेप्ट थ्योरम. अगर 3 and more than 3 लाइन्स intersect by equally intersect by any transversal axis means PQ equals to QR, it is given. तो जो another line होगी वो भी equal intercept काटेगी. This is the intercept theorem. Now question number 14 depend on equal intercept theorem. ABCD is a parallelogram, E is a midpoint of AB and F is a midpoint of CD. GH is any line that intersect AD, EF, BC at GPH. Prove that GP equals to PH. We have to prove that. Okay, and it is given it is a midpoint. Suppose it is given ABCD is a parallelogram, then opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. Suppose this is 2x, then this is also 2x, opposite side are equal, and F is the midpoint of this, then this is equals to x and this is also equals to x according to situation, and this is equals to x, this is also equals to x according to situation. Now we have to prove that GP equals to PH. ABCD is a parallelogram, then opposite side are parallel, means AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Opposite side are parallel and equal according to property of a parallelogram. Now AD is parallel to BC and AE is parallel to DF because AB का सम पार्ट है, because AB is parallel to CD, तो उसका एक पार्ट यानी AE is parallel to DF होगा. ओके, AE is parallel to DF and AE equals to DF equals to X. Okay, because both are equal. Now in quadrilateral ADFE, opposite side are parallel and equal, so ADFE is parallelogram. Okay, property of a parallelogram, because opposite side of a quadrilateral are equal and parallel, so it is a parallelogram. So EDFC is a parallelogram, then opposite side are parallel. E is parallel to DF and ED is parallel to EF. Now ED is parallel to EF, and we know that ABCD is a parallelogram. ED is parallel to BC, so ED is parallel to EF, ED is parallel to BC, then ED is parallel to EF and EF is parallel to BC. All the three lines are parallel. Now using intercept theorem, if 1, 2, 3 lines are parallel, transversal axis cut into a equal intercept, means DF equals to FC, because it is equals to X. This is a transversal axis. Then another transversal axis is cut in a equal intercept, so GP equals to PH from equal intercept theorem. Equal intercept theorem. Okay.